Hello. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get into it. We're going to start. This video is going to be geared towards a fall press-on nail set. I have chosen short almonds for this one. It's going to go on my right hand, and I can't wait to get into it. Can't wait to see what we're going to do. Right now, I'm just playing it by ear, but it's going to be a fall design with some type of gold, and I just can't wait for y'all to see. So if you love this, thank you so much for joining me. If you are new, welcome, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I do go in with my thumb, and my middle finger is more circular. So you'll see me go in with the 100 file, and I will actually shape the cuticle area to conform to my individual nail bed. And I recommend all of y'all do that. Sis, if you have a more circle cuticles, because all nail beds are made differently, then use your file that come in your kit. It's going to be a shorter file, but use your file that come in your kit and shape it to your nail bed. So you see, this will fit more into my nail bed than a square. So that's why I shaped it, and you see it fits perfectly right into my nail. Y'all see that? Alright, so I thought I would just throw that out there. It may help y'all a little bit so you can get a more natural fit on your press-ons. Alright, so right here, y'all, in this Savalan chrome powder, you see it's mixed up. So what I did was, behind the scenes, I put the cap back on, and I shook it, alright, to combine those colors. So that's to give me a greater gold. So this is a dark gold. So it's almost like the old school gold, the gold that they found during in the mountain. But it came out really pretty. You see that? It didn't look right if y'all pay close attention to that. But in the next clip, you see me going back over it because I went back in and shook it up. Alright, so I did 2 of those nails in that chrome color, and now I'm going in with my glitters and my fall leaves. I got this off of Amazon, and so how pretty are those colors? Those are like the perfect fall colors, copper and gold, and then some iridescent leaves. So pretty. So I'm going to make 2 of those nails. The index finger and the middle finger are going to be a clear nail, but it's going to be fall inspired with the leaves and the glitter. So y'all watch this. And in my videos, you're going to see me separating it from the set because I don't want to get anything on the other nails that are completed, even though they are top coated. Just a precaution, I do use another stand while I am designing that specific nail. And if you have made it this far in the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and press that notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload the video. The comments and the like helps my channel to grow, and for that I am much appreciative. So thank y'all so much for watching the Pink Side with KJ. Alright, so next up in this clip, I have taken some top coat gold glitter and that copper glitter, mixed it together, and now I am going on these nails, topping it with the glitter to add just a little bit more sheen to that, and then I am going to flip the nails upside down and top coat it with just plain clear so I can get the clearest nail possible. Watch this, you're gonna see. And here it is. I was so happy with the final look on these nails. You see how clear those fall leaves look on that nail?